Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at that ever so popular melody, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, which was in fact written by Amadeus Mozart. And as some of you might not realize, it's also the tune that we use when we sing the English alphabet. Now you might have noticed that I already have a tutorial for Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, but it's a video tutorial and is longer than it needs to be. So here is my shorter and improved animated version, just for you. So here we have a harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours is not in the key of C, because the numbers are the important part. In this lesson, if you see this red arrow pointing this way, it means blow into the harmonica. But if you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it? Here is what Twinkle Twinkle Little Star looks like when written down in the key of C. And this is how it sounds. C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, G, G, F, F, E, E, D, C, C, G, G, A, G, F, F, E, E, D, D, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 4 twice. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 6 twice. And blow into 6. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, breathe in through 5 twice. Blow into 5 twice. Breathe in through 4 twice. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 5 twice. Blow into 5 twice. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now, phrase 4 is exactly the same as phrase 3. Phrase 5 is exactly the same as phrase 1. And phrase 6 is exactly the same as phrase 2. So let's try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Patreon. We'd love your support. And if you're a YouTube content creator like me and are looking for a place to share your work with other like-minded YouTubers, then come and join my Facebook group, Circle of YouTubers. There's a link in the description below. And until next time, stay tuned.